हेलो फ्रेंड्स, होप आप सब अच्छे होंगे। यू आर स्टडिंग वेल, आप अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे। तो आइए दोस्तों, आते चलते हैं हम डेटा कम्युनिकेशन कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क में आगे। सबसे पहले कुछ क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं जो कि बेस्ड हैं पिछले पार्ट पर। तो अगर आपको क्वेश्चन नहीं सॉल्व हो रहे हैं तो आप पिछले पार्ट में जाइए, वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन किया गया था, तो आपसे क्वेश्चन बनने लगेंगे। तो आइए देखते हैं क्वेश्चंस। टीसीपी स्टैंड्स फॉर। तो दोस्तों टीसीपी की फुल फॉर्म क्या है वो हमें यहाँ बताना है। तो जैसा कि हम जानते हैं टीसीपी हमने पहले पिछले लेक्चर में थोड़ा इसकी फुल फॉर्म भी देखी थी। तो ये है हमारा ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल। तो क्या है ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल? It is a protocol communication standard that enables application program and computing devices to exchange messages over a network. It is designed to send packet across the internet and ensure the successful delivery of data and message over a network. Next is OSI model. We will see in some next lectures, but we are discussing only full form here. That is Open Systems Interconnection. इस मॉडल, ये एक मॉडल है OSI मॉडल, 7 लेयर मॉडल होता है जो हम आगे वाले लेक्चर्स में देखेंगे। बेसिकली इट इज अ conceptual framework used to describe the function of a network system. तो दोस्तों हमने पिछले लेक्चर्स में पैन पढ़ा था, यानी पैन, व्हाट इज पैन? पैन इज अ पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क। पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क पिछली बार हमने देखा था। तो सबसे पहले ये टर्म ये किस साइंटिस्ट ने इसको दिया? तो हमने दोस्तों बताया था पिछली बार, थॉमस जिमरमैन। तो दोस्तों थॉमस जिमरमैन एक साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने सबसे पहले आइडिया पैन का दिया था, यानी पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क का दिया था। इसके बाद दोस्तों एक चीज आती है एचटीटीपी। ये भी हम पढ़ेंगे आगे थोड़ा सा क्या होता है। तो एचटीटीपी की फॉर्म केवल हम यहाँ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। तो ये है हाइपर टेक्स्ट ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल। ओके, इसी तरह से इसकी HTML की फुल फॉर्म ये भी है हाइपर टेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज। हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज। ठीक है दोस्तों, होप आप समझ पाए होंगे क्वेश्चंस को। आगे की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। सो WAN स्टैंड्स फॉर। तो WAN का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? सो इट इज सिंपल वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क, बी ऑप्शन। डेटा कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम स्पैनिंग स्टेट्स, कंट्रीज और होल द वर्ल्ड इज। सो आंसर है दोस्तों WAN, बिकॉज ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया इज वेरी बिग। The network extends over a large geographical area and it is used to connect cities, states, even countries. ठीक है, तो एग्जाम्पल WAN का क्या है? इंटरनेट। इंटरनेट इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ WAN। नेक्स्ट इज डेटा कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम विद इन द बिल्डिंग और अ कैंपस। दोस्तों ये हमने आपको बताया था, डिस्कशन भी हुआ था कि जो छोटा एरिया है उसके लिए हम बेसिकली लैन यूज़ करते हैं। जनरली हमने कॉलेजेस वगैरह में भी यूज़ किया है, वो लैन ही था। तो यहाँ पे फुल फॉर्म देख लेते हैं। लैन और वैन का जब दोनों टर्म आ ही गए हैं, वैन का हमने देख ही लिया है, लैन का होगा लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क। मैन का क्या हो जाएगा, मैन हो जाएगा मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क। पैन का हमने बता ही दिया पिछली स्लाइड में, पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क। तो LAN interconnects computers in a small area such as schools, offices, residences. So it is a most versatile kind of data communication system where most of the computer network concept can be visibly used. Okay. तो आइए बढ़ते हैं थ्योरी की तरफ। कुछ हमने क्वेश्चन इसलिए देख लिया ताकि आपको रिकॉल करने में आसानी हो। अब what is topology? Topology defines the structure of the network of how all the components are interconnected to each other. There are two types of topologies, physical topology or logical topology. Physical topology is a geometrical representation of all nodes in a network. तो यहाँ पे हम कुछ टोपोलॉजी के टाइप देखेंगे, बस, रिंग, ट्री, स्टार, मैश, हाइब्रिड, ये सब हम देखने वाले हैं। ठीक है दोस्तों, आगे बढ़ते हैं। पहला टोपोलॉजी हमने लिया है बस टोपोलॉजी। तो बस टोपोलॉजी, तो दोस्तों ये एक बस है, इट इज़ वन बस एंड systems are connected to network backbone. The bus topology is designed in a such a way that all the stations are connected through a single cable known as a backbone cable. Each node is either connected to the backbone cable by a drop cable or directly connected to the backbone. When a node wants to send a message over the network, it puts message over the network. All the stations available in the network will receive the message. So it is sending and all will have messages, whether it has been addressed or not. The bus topology mainly used 802.3, it is called Ethernet, and 802.4 standard in network. The configuration of a bus topology is quite simpler as compared to other topologies. The backbone cable is considered as a single lane through which the message is broadcasted to all the stations. The most common method that the bus topology is CSMA. So here we are using CSMA. What is CSMA? Full form is Carrier Sense Multiple Access. ठीक है दोस्तों, तो आगे देखते हैं CSMA क्या है। CSMA, it is a media control used to control the data flow so that the data integrity is maintained. So पैकेट लॉस नहीं होना चाहिए। इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट हमारा है कि पैकेट का लॉस नहीं होना है। डू नॉट गेट लॉस्ट। टू अल्टरनेट वे है, ठीक है। CSMA CD and CSMA CS. CD means collision detection, means if there is a collision, it will get detected and it will stop transmitting the data, and then after recovery after collision will work. And another method is collision avoidance, means collision will not happen. ठीक है, to avoid the collision it is checking whether the transmitted media is busy or not. If it is busy, then sender waits until the media becomes idle, means it is free. Until the media is free, the sender will wait. So it reduces the possibility of collision. So if collision not happen, then recovery after collision will not happen. So this concept is no more valid here. Okay, hope you get understand. So collision detection and collision avoidance. Okay friends, what is advantage of bus topology? The low cost cable, moderate data speed up to 10 Mbps, familiar technology, बस familiar है, troubleshooting well known, limited failure. And what is disadvantage? Extensive cabling. We need to do a lot of cabling and difficult in troubleshooting. If it is in the cable, means in the backbone network, then it is difficult. But if it is in a connected node, then it is easy. That only that node is get disrupted. But if the backbone is disrupted, all the nodes are communication will disrupt. Signal interference. If two nodes simultaneously send signal, so both the nodes signal will collide, or it interfere with each other. Reconfiguration difficult. Attenuation. These are the disadvantage and advantage of the bus topology. Hope you get understand. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next topology is ring topology. Means we are making a ring. So ring topology is like a bus topology, but with connected ends. Okay. The node that receives the message from the previous computer will retransmit to the next node. The data flows in only in one directional. So here what we know, it is a unidirectional. Data flows in a single loop continuously, known as endless loop. So here it is endless loop. It has no terminated end, that is, each node is connected to other node and having no termination point. The data in a ring topology flow in clockwise direction. Okay, clockwise direction. The most common access method of the ring topology is token passing. So token passing is there. Token passing, it is a network access method in which token is passed from one node to another node. What is token? Token, it is a frame that circulates around the network. We'll see what is working of token passing. A token moves around the network. It passes from one computer to another computer until it reaches the destination. So it is passing from one to another. Okay. So but it is in clockwise direction. So like this, it is passing. The sender modifies the token by putting the address along with the data. The data is passed from one device to another device until the destination address matches. Once the token received by the destination device, then it sends the acknowledgement to the sender. So acknowledgement is there. Okay, in a ring topology, token is used as a carrier. Okay friends, आगे बढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं इसके एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज. तो एडवांटेज ऑफ रिंग टोपोलॉजी, नेटवर्क मैनेजमेंट इज इजी, product availability, cost, reliability. The cost is low, more reliable. Okay, and disadvantages, difficult troubleshooting, because if ring itself means the cable of ring itself get faulty, then all nodes get disrupted. Failure, one station leads to failure of overall network. That is the biggest disadvantage of this topology. Reconfiguration difficult. Adding a new device to the network would slow down the network. Delay directly proportional to the number of nodes. Adding new nodes increase the communication delay. So that is the problem with ring topology. Next we will see star topology. So star topology is an arrangement of the network in which every node is connected to a central hub. So there is a central hub. Or hub, switch, or a central computer. It can be central computers, central hub, or central switch. The central computer is known as server. So basically it is called as server, and the peripheral device attached to the server is known as, these are clients. Coaxial cable of or RJ45 cable are used to connect the computer. Hub or switch are mainly used as a connection device in a physical star topology. Star topology is most popular topology in the network implementation. Advantage and disadvantage. Efficient troubleshooting. In comparison to bus topology, it is very quite efficient in star topology to troubleshoot. Okay, because all stations are connected to centralized network, therefore network administration has to go to only single station to troubleshoot the problem, while in the bus topology it is a kilometers of cable that need to be inspected to get identify the fault. So it can be in bus topology, cable can be faulted and nodes can also be faulted. Network control. The complex network control features easily implemented in a star topology. Limited failure. Familiar technology. Easily expandable. You can expand easily. You just need to add one. That's it. Cost effectiveness and high data speed, approx 100 Mbps, and Ethernet 100 base T is one of the most popular star topology network. What are disadvantages? A central point of failure. If server goes down, then all the nodes go down. Okay, next we will see tree topology. So tree topology combines the characteristic of a bus topology and a star topology. So it is just like a star topology and it is like a bus topology. So it is a combination of that. So that becomes tree. Tree topology is a type of structure in which all the computers are connected with each other in a hierarchical fashion. The topmost node in the tree topology is known as root node, and all other nodes are the descendants of the root. Root node and descendants of the root. There is only one path exists between the two nodes for the data transmission. Thus, it forms a parent-child hierarchy. So it is like a parent-child hierarchy. Advantage and disadvantage. Supports for broadband transmission. So it can send a signal over a long distance without being attenuated. Easily expandable. Easily manageable, because whole network divided into segments as a star network and can easily managed and maintained. Error detection is easy, and detection as well as correction is easy in tree topology. Limited failure. So if one station is breakdown, it does not affect the entire network. Point to point wiring, no need to do that. It has a point to point wiring for individual segments but not for others. Disadvantage, difficult troubleshooting. Okay, high cost, failure. So it mainly relies on bus or cable. If it is bus or cable get damaged, then overall system will shut down. Reconfiguration is difficult. So these are the advantage and disadvantage of tree topology. Okay friends, next is mesh topology. Mesh topology is an arrangement of network in which computers are interconnected with each other through various redundant connections. So it is connected with this also, this also, this also, this also to each node. There are multiple paths for one computer to another computer. It does not contain the hub, switch or any central computer which act as a central point of communication. The internet is an example of the mesh topology. So example में we have a internet. Okay दोस्तों, mesh topology is mainly used for WAN implementation, where communication failure are a critical concern. So it is using in WAN. Okay. Mesh topology is mainly used for wireless network. Mesh topology can be formed by using the formula number of cables. So number of cables equal to n multiplied by n minus 1 divided by 2, where n is the number of nodes that represent the network. Okay, n is the number of nodes. So there are types of technology, mesh topology, full mesh topology or partial. Full mesh topology, each computer is connected to all computer available in the network. And in partial topology, partial mesh topology, not all but certain computers are connected to those computers with which they communicate frequently. So two type of topology. So advantage and disadvantage. It is more reliable because breakdown is very less. Fast communication, easier reconfiguration. Disadvantage is again cost, because we have to connect each system. Management, because network is very large, very difficult to maintain and manage. Efficiency, so redundant connection reduce the efficiency of the network. Okay friends, next and last is hybrid topology. So in hybrid topology, many topologies are used. The combination of various different topology is known as hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is a connection between different links and nodes to transfer the data. When two or more different topologies are combined together, it terms as a hybrid topology. And if similar topologies are connected with each other, will not result in hybrid topology. For example, if there exists a ring topology in one branch of ICICI Bank and bus topology in another branch of ICICI Bank, connecting those two topologies will result in a hybrid topologies. ओके दोस्तों, तो आइए देखते हैं एडवांटेज एंड डिसएडवांटेज. इट इज़ मोर रिलायबल, स्केलेबल, flexible and effective. Disadvantage: complex design, costly hub and costly infrastructure. ठीक है दोस्तों, तो आज के लिए इतना ही. That's all for today, and we will see some question in next part and more content. So we'll get to familiar with this subject and we will score easily. So guys, please read advantage and disadvantage carefully and what we tell. So we will put some question in next slide regarding this topology, and for next section will cover. So that's all. Thank you very much.